24/7, all local, all the time. Turn to Channel 3 for Weather Scan by the Weather Channel.
Currently in your area,
currently the temperature is 93 degrees under partly cloudy skies. A severe thunderstorm is in effect for our area. Our local observations.
here's our local Doppler radar.
For tonight, scattered thunderstorms, low 63, winds south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 40%. Sunday, thunderstorms, high 79, winds west at 10 to 15 miles per hour, chance of rain 80%.
Your extended forecast.
Our 7-day outlook.